How to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Tonkeeper app. Now the next thing you want to do is to click on send. Now you want to add in your address, your wallet address, the recipient of this withdrawal. So you want to add it over there. So I'm just simply going to paste because I copied. Feel free to add a comment, but I'm simply just going to skip. It doesn't really matter. Then click on continue. Now over here you want to add in how many tunes you want to withdraw. Now guys, immediately you finish adding that and you click on continue. I don't have any tune on this account, so I won't be adding anything. But if you add the amount or how many tunes you would like to withdraw and you click on continue, this money should be on its way to the wallet that you added previously. And this is how to withdraw money from Tonkeeper. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.